how to grade essay questions in a quiz or exam in e-learning. There may be quizzes where you as the instructor have configured essay questions for the students, and these questions need to be graded manually. So in our case, I have a couple true and false multiple choice questions, and then the third question, it's an essay question. To get to the results of the quiz, you either click here on results on the top or click on attempts below. So if we click on results, it will take us in and give a preview of the students that have taken this quiz. Now in most classes you'll have 20 or 30 students. And notice this one, it says not graded yet. So while you can go and grade this manually from here, you'd have to go through every single one of those instances, and it creates a lot more work. So to grade all the essay questions, now in our case we have only one student and one question, but the process is the same. So to grade all the essay questions, while you are in the results page, you need to click here on the grades area, on the drop down, and select manual grading. Now, under manual grading, it's going to list all the essay questions that are part of this particular quiz that need to be graded manually. And then you're going to need to click here on grade all. And the system, it's going to display 5 students per page here by default. You can change this to show 100 of them per page. You'll be able to see the student response and the feedback from you as the instructor, and also how many points. In most cases, you'll have additional students here, so depending on how many you selected per page, if you selected 5, then there will be 5 students listed, and then you'll press save and show the next. If you want 50 students listed, then it's going to show all 50 or however many are there available up to 50, and then you'll press save and show next. So in other words, you're grading the same essay question for all students at the same time, rather than having to open a new window for every question for every student. So you click here on save and show next, and that's all that there is to it. And if you go here to results, notice the grade has been posted for that question. Then those grades are going to be calculated automatically and then posted in the grade book, which is available from the main course page. You go to grades, and then here we should be able to see the quiz grade for this particular student.